All right, so show us and explain. Tasha, can you explain the umbra and the penumbra again?
The umbra is the shadow of the moon that is dark.
Mm-hmm. And if you're in the umbra, what kind of an eclipse do you see?
You see a solar eclipse.
Well, you're seeing a solar eclipse, but Annika?
Total eclipse.
Total eclipse. So can you move it so that the Earth is getting the solar eclipse? Good. And as you move it closer, what happens to that umbra?
Bigger.
Mm-hmm. And you move it farther away, the umbra gets?
Smaller.
Right. But the penumbra, that lighter shadow, if you're far away,
Gets bigger.
right. And if you're closer up, what happens to that penumbra?
Gets smaller.
Very good. All right. Now, that's for a solar eclipse. Now, move it around for a lunar eclipse. Oh, so for a solar eclipse, what phase of the moon is it in?
New.
New moon. Very good. And for a lunar eclipse,
Full moon.
it has to be in full moon position. And now, whose shadow is blocking the moon?
The Earth's.
That's right. So are you experiencing an eclipse right now where the moon is? No, but it moved down a little bit and now it's in the eclipsed region and the shadow right behind the Earth. Very good. Okay. Now what happens? So put the moon back there again. Hey, Tasha. What happens if the moon is a little bit higher?
If the moon is a bit higher, it would be...
Is there an eclipse?
No.
Nope. What phase of the moon is it again?
Full.
Right. And if it's not lined up exactly, so you have to have the moon, Earth, and the sun lined up in just the right way. Now, is the moon always in the same position every month?
No.
No. If the moon was in the same position and all lined up every month, what would happen to it at full moon?
It would burn up.
No, it's not going to burn up.
Could.
Well, what would happen? What's happening to the moon right now?
It would disappear.
It does disappear, right? And that's called an
Eclipse.
right. So, do we have an eclipse every single month?
Nope. Nope.
Therefore, we know, is the moon always lined up precisely in the same way?
No.
Right. Very good.
Unless there's some type of shielding the moon.
Nope. The moon revolves around the Earth at a little bit of an angle. So it's not always in precisely the right position, but every so often it gets in the right spot to have an eclipse, either a lunar eclipse or a solar eclipse. All right. Thank you all for helping.